Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.8 Question number 1. Show that the straight lines R vector equal 5a plus 7j minus 3k plus s into 4i plus 4j minus 5k and R vector equal 8i plus 4j plus 5k plus t into 7i plus j plus 3k are coplanar. Find the vector equation of the plane in which they lie. Here the two lines given are R vector equal 5i 7j minus 3k plus s times 4i plus 4j 5k. Regarding this, here passing through points, vector A equal first vector, that is 5i plus 7j minus 3k, and vector B is parallel vector to that line, is 4i plus 4j minus 5k. Now, like vector second line is of 8i plus 4j plus 5k plus t times 7i plus j plus 3k. Here, regarding this vector C equal, passing through point is 8i plus 4j plus 5k, and vector D is parallel vector to this second line is 7i plus j plus 3k. Now, first we have to find subtraction of C minus A equal is 8i minus 5a is 3i, then like 4i minus plus 7 minus 7j is minus 3j, and 5k minus of minus 3k is plus 8k. Next we'll find B cross D is I j k, and B is 4 minus 5, and D is 713. Let us expand this one. I is 12, 4 3s are 12, minus 5, that is minus of minus 2 is plus 5, minus j vector 4 3s are 12, four threes are 12, and 7 5s are 35, minus plus 35. Then k vector of 4 ones are 4 and 7 4s are 28, which is equal 17i, then 47 minus 47j minus 24k. Here, for to find two lines are coplanar, we have to find vector C minus vector A of dot product of B cross D must be 0. We'll get it. We'll C minus A is 17i minus 47j minus 24k, dot product of, now first first we have to do C minus A is 3i minus 3j plus 8k, dot product of B cross D is this 17i minus 47j minus 24k equal 3 into 17. 3 into 17 is 51, minus next minus 3 into minus 47 is plus 141, that is 8 into 24 minus 192, which is equal 192, that is 51 plus 141 minus 192 equals 0. So we got, since vector C minus A dot product of B cross D equals 0, therefore the given lines are coplanar. That means the two lines lie on the same plane. Here, next condition, find the vector equation of the plane which they lie. We have to find that plane's equation, vector equation. Now, here the vector equation, the plane containing the, now we will find the vector equation of the plane. The plane containing that line is r vector A dot B cross D equal 0. So we have r vector minus vector A is vector A is 5 7 minus 3, 5i plus 7j minus 3k, phi I minus here vector A is phi I 7j minus 3k or minus, which with dot product of B cross D we have B cross D 17i minus 14j 47, 17i minus 47j of minus 24k. Now let us find this. R vector minus 5i plus 7j minus 3k of dot product of 17i 47j minus 24k now here we have to find this one first. Now r vector of dot product of 17i minus 47j minus 24k minus 5i plus 7j minus 3k and dot product of 17i 47j minus 24k, which is equal r vector 17i 47j minus 24k of the dot product of this is 5 into 17 is 85 and 7 into 47 is minus 329 and minus 3 into minus 24 is plus 72, which is equal further r vector dot 17i 47j minus 24k minus 172. Here this calculation is 85 minus 3 29 plus 72 is 172 is equal 0. This is our required equation of a vector equation of a plan containing that line. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.